preparing for CAT and other MBA examinations is a time-taking process, and during this you can have your ups and downs. But staying motivated during this process is very important, and this is how you can do that. Number 1, set realistic goals. That means to divide your preparation into small achievable goals and track your progress. Number 2, stay organized. That is to keep your study material in an organized manner, and it will help you having a systematic preparation for your examination. Number 3, take breaks. So don't study continuously and अपने आप को torture मत करो. So थोड़ा थोड़ा prepare करो. Take enough amount of breaks, recharge yourself and get back to study. Number 4 is surround yourself with positivity. ऐसे लोगों के पास मत जाओ जो बहुत ज़्यादा negativity फैलाते हैं, and you will be staying focused for your preparation. Seek support from your family and mentors in case you feel any kind of demotivation during your studies. आशा करता हूँ कि ये जो टिप्स हैं ये सारे लोग फॉलो करेंगे, and this will help you in your journey towards CAT 2023. All the very best to all of you.